Oh, look in there. Look in there. Oh, that is superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Cherries are in season. We got some king cherries. We're going to make a king cherry and apple turnover. Very easy recipe. We're using puff pastry, ready rolled. Let's put it together, come on. So we've got these wonderful juicy king cherries all the way from America. But this starts with peeling some apples. Now I've got some Granny Smiths, and you peel the apples whichever way you like. That doesn't matter. I'm going to peel with a knife actually. So let's get these peeled off here. And what we need to do is we need to just cube up our apples. So we don't want the core, get rid of the core. I'm going to make some little cubes. They've got to be little because they're going inside our puff pastry. So we just want to be cubing some apple. Now, you don't have to be so careful with this, you know. Just cube them up. Pan on. In there with your apples. In there with a little knob of butter. Want some lemon juice. So squeeze in your lemon juice. In with some sugar. And in with a teaspoon of mixed spice. Now you can use cinnamon, not a problem. And then all we do is we just cook that till softened. Now if you want to add a splash of water, you can do so. Not too high, just cook till softened. In there with a pinch of salt. In with a little bit of vanilla. A little stir around is a fantastic smell. Absolutely wonderful smell. Add your halved and pitted cherries and cook until softened. Mix up some corn flour. There's going to be a corn flour slurry. Give us a nice thick sauce. And in our mix. And stir to thicken. Turn off the flame. And that is our mix. Set to cool. So just leave your mixture to cool and then we can carry on with the pastry. Okay, line your tray with some parchment paper and put your ready rolled pastry on, which we have cut to 4.5 by 4.5, and then in there with some of our filling. Now what we're going to do is make sure we got enough cherries on each one. And then we're going over the top with our pastry and stretch it over. You know, we're making something that we want to eat. And then take a fork and we're going to crimp the edges. Just crimp the edges down. So once you've crimped your turnovers, you want to be going over with a bit of egg wash. Just a beaten egg. So we're going to give it that nice golden glaze. And then we're going to give it a sprinkling of demerara sugar. Awesome. Some demerara sugar on there. Cut a couple of little slits in the top so it can vent some steam out. And then we're going to bob that in a preheated oven, about 160 degrees for my air fryer, until they're golden brown. So bob that in your preheated oven and bake until golden brown, about 20 minutes. I don't think they need to go any more than that actually. Let's bring those out of there. That is our king cherry and apple turnovers made, or king cherry and apple parcels, whatever you know them by. And we're going to give them a little minute and then we're going to put them on a tray to cool down. So we're just going to give these a little minute and then we're going to serve one up. We'll cut one in half and we'll serve it with some vanilla ice cream. Okay, so I don't think there's much else to do but actually get one of these off here and cut it open. And we might as well just go straight through. Oh, look in there. Look in there. Oh, that is superb. Come on, you know what we're doing. Let's get dug in. Whew. Look in there. Where do we start? Look in there. Look at all our fruit, our apple. Oh man. Do you know, this ain't going to be one of those. This is going to be pick it up and eat it. Oh heck. That is absolutely flipping gorgeous. Incredible. That buttery puff pastry, okay, it's ready made. We've got our apple and cherries in there. That little bit of English mixed spice, you know, you could use cinnamon. We put sugar in, a little bit of vanilla. It's not overly sweet. It's still got the tart taste. That is sensational. That is absolutely amazing. Serve it up with cream, ice cream. Incredible. Oh, look at that. It's bursting with fruit. Look at it. Well, we know it is because we put it in. Oh, fantastic. That is fantastic. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. A big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for notifications every time we upload. Catch you in the next video.